right now we're going to do a little weather event test. I'm going to show you guys exactly what happens to the end user device. As you can see, we have a weather event that just occurred. And I have some options now. I can protect my home. I could ignore the alert that came in. I could always ignore the alert. You'll also notice I got a text as well. Adapt Energy is detected, in this case, a test alert. I'm going to go ahead and say I want to protect my home. Now, based on that protection, you're going to notice a few things. It's probably going to get a little dark in here because we shut off some lights. Our shades are going to change. We also just got another text letting us know that Adapt Energy has protected the home. And you'll see also our backup reserve has been changed to 100%. And we've also shut down some of our breakers. And you'll also notice on the app, we have our test alert being active. Now, I'm going to go ahead and lift the alert now, and this would obviously be automated. NOAA and NWS is who we're polling regularly, and when the alert is lifted, the home, as you see, will return back to normal. And that's just a small part of our weather event testing. We also just got another text that says that all the weather alerts have been lifted. That's how Adapt Energy can integrate with a home automation system with shades and lights. But obviously everything that you saw here would be just the energy automation side of things. So I want to show you now what happens with Adapt Energy during a grid loss. So take a look here and you'll notice that the grid has just gone down. The battery has taken over. We've lowered our shades so that we can keep the ambient temperature down. Our music that was playing is going to shut off. And our lighting eventually is going to change as well. Now, I just received a text letting me know that Adapt Energy has detected a power outage. And you see I've got some options here. I can choose to turn most circuits on, turn comfort circuits on, or turn essential circuits on only. Now in this case, I'm going to say I don't know how long this is going to last. So I'm really only going to worry about my essentials only. So by pressing essentials only, you'll see that we've turned off quite a few breakers. Our lighting just went ahead and dimmed. And now we are okay to operate for almost 10 hours under current conditions. So as you can see by looking at my phone and looking at the iPad, we are still off grid. The battery is still powering the home. However, we actually brought grid power back about 4 minutes ago. And the reason why we don't have power yet is because the Sonnen battery is doing a grid check. It's got to check the grid for good power, basically within spec power coming into the home, and it's got to watch the grid for 5 minutes straight for perfect power. If at maybe 2 minutes and 30 seconds of it watching the grid, it sees a power blip or something like that, it's going to restart that timer. We probably won't have that happen here. So in about 30 seconds or so, you'll maybe hear the automatic transfer switch fire in the Sonnen battery, and it will take us off of the microgrid and put us back on the grid. Just for the sake of looking at it, it just fired. The home is going to return back to normal, which means my shades are going to go up, my lights came back on. Because I had music on earlier, my music will return, and you'll notice the breakers are also coming back to life. So we are now back to normal and back on grid power. And that's what you can do with Adapt Energy and a home automation system like Crestron or Control4, because Adapt Energy does communicate with both of those. I also did just receive a text that power is being restored. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. Watch more about Adapt Energy and how Adapt Energy and Sonnen Ecolinks and home automation and all can be tied together to have the most amazing experience possible. I want to introduce Megan Corcoran. She's our VP of Business Development, and she's going to tell you a little bit about how you can get in touch with us.
Absolutely. So you can reach out to me directly at adaptsales@pantechdesign.com or check out our website, www.pantechdesign.com. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram for all the latest updates on Adapt Energy.
Thanks, guys.